Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar continued the attack on the central government over a lack of funds to Karnataka and not aligning with the recommendation by finance commissions. Earlier in the Karnataka Assembly, the Congress government had moved a resolution against the centre for allegedly stalling funds, while the opposition BJP protested it by passing another resolution. Shivakumar said that this was an injustice done to the state.
See, we have not blamed, we have accused. We have tell that we have got a raw deal. Justice is not being thrown. Whatever amount we have to get through the Finance Commission or from the central government has been totally injustice has been given. So we have moved a resolution. I think you remember Mr. Basavaraj Bommai, when he was Chief Minister, answering to Mr. Siddaramaiah and Krishna Bairegoda, that point of time he made it very clear there is anomaly and we will all have to fight together. So on his instance, on his directions, on his giving us inspiration, we all are joining together to fight for the state of Karnataka. It is an enormous resolution which we want to do. It may be accepted on a voice vote. So ultimately, we appeal to the central government that justice has to be given, rectify the mistakes, and the proper allocation of funds as per our eligibility has to be given.
Responding to this, former Chief Minister and BJP leader Basavaraj Bommai stated that the Congress has misused the platform of Vidhana Sabha by passing the resolution. He even stated that they were telling blatant lies and defended the central BJP government.
We were compelled to move this resolution. When the elected government stoops so level for political reasons to tell blatant lies in front of the people through this Vidhana Sabha, they have misused the platform of Vidhana Sabha. The importance and the purity of Vidhana Sabha has been misused by Congress people. They have told blatant lies. For example, these are the people who have ruled 55 years. Devolution of fund was 20 years. First finance up to 10th Finance Commission. Then it took nearly 30 years to increase it to 30%. And when UPA was there, we all demanded to raise it to 40%. Then Manmohan Singh didn't raise it. It was Narendra Modi, after becoming Prime Minister, within 3-4 months, he raised it to 42% in the name of federal cooperativism. Therefore, cooperative federalism. And he is the man who has run the state. He knows the importance of the state also. They are telling lies. And when 15th Finance Commission started working, these are the people in power. Siddaramaiah was the Chief Minister. They didn't project the state very well. And when the final meeting was done, during coalition government, 5 Congress ministers attended the final meeting. They didn't open their mouth. They didn't oppose it. After 2 years of implementation of 15th Finance Commission, they are trying to raise this bogey. They pretty well know that once the Finance Commission gives the report, nothing can be done on that. Now by shouting on rooftop the lies, we are not going. Karnataka is not going to be benefited. It is only the political agenda of this government are trying to do it. For example, 14th Finance Commission, the total devolution was 84,000 crores for 5 years. In just 2.5 years, 15th Finance has given 1,05,000 crores, and still till March 26th, the 15th Finance Commission period is there. So we are going to get 1 lakh more in 15th Finance Commission. See, they are talking of percentage. See, each Finance Commission has got its own norms and their population base. They are speaking of having a population base of 1971. See, when the latest 2011 population is there, can we take the 30 years back population? Things have changed after that. They pretty well know that. They just want to politicize it. Similarly, in GST compensation, GST is once again constitutionally approved tax system, and there the central government has agreed to give 14% growth year by year compensation for 5 years. No state can achieve 14%, but still they have given 14%. 1,06,358 crores we have got as a compensation for last 5 years. They are not speak a word about it. And they are doing wrong calculations, and they are calculating up to 23-24. The period is over for 5-year compensation. In constitution it is over in 22 for all states. They calculate up to 24 and say so much we want. See, this is misleading the people by doing deliberately calculating wrong things, bringing in wrong figures, trying to misguide the people and the legislature. And the centrally sponsored schemes, now most of the schemes are going directly to the beneficiaries' account. It will not come to the consolidate fund. So these people are talking the money which comes to consolidate fund, but equal money is going to directly to beneficiaries. These people are not telling the people. So they are totally misguiding and trying to hide a lot of central schemes. For example, they are saying that 6,000 crores from 15th Finance Commission has to come to Bangalore. See, they have given to very ring road. They have not yet started. See, how can you expect Government of India to give money with the project which has not started? Not even DPR has been done properly. Therefore, this is total lies. They are not telling that 15,000 crores has been given to suburban rail to Bangalore. They are not speaking about that. 50% share of metro comes from Government of India. 13,000 kilometer national highway done in last 10 years. 7,000 crores worth railway works have been done in last 10 years. These people are not talking about it. 26 works of Sagarmala in ports development is approved. These people don't talk. In health, Ayushman Bharat, 60 lakh families are benefited by that in Karnataka. It's their own statement, but they are not going to highlight it. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana and Smart City, 7,000 crores has come in Smart City. So they are not taking all this into account. So they are telling half truth, blatant lie, and fit of imagination calculations. In Kannada they say Sheikh Mohammed Lekka. That's the imaginary thing and trying to mislead. It's a totally political. So we are forced to bring out this counter resolution, and this is what the truth is, and we are going to take this to the people.
Meanwhile, Congress MLA N. Harris stated that they are fighting for their rights and the state's right, and stated that they should agitate more to get their financial share, and said that BJP's resolution was against the people and state of Karnataka.
No, see, it is for our right what we are fighting, and it is the right of the people of the state. 7 crores Kannadigas' right it is, and we are the government, and we are supposed to protect all these Kannadigas' right and the state right, everything. So if we don't take, who will take? And opposition is supposed to support us. They are supposed to be with us because we are talking, taking the rights of our own people. We are talking about that. And why are they fighting? Why are they agitating? What is the reason? See, it is central government, maybe their party government, but we are asking for what? This state government is not their party, okay. But we are fighting for the right of the state and the people. So they also should support us to get that money from there. Finished. Now we have kept it in the house. No, how can they say it is a dark or it is a light? They are not seeing that means. See, we have kept it on the floor of the house. We have brought it in. They are also reading it. They are telling what is wrong in that. We have only just mentioned that we have to get this from the central government. And it is a fact that central government has not given us. Are we telling a lie? No. So I think what we are doing is right, and we have to do more. Actually, we have to agitate more now. It is not what they are doing, because we have to fight for our money. See, we are paying so much of tax, the people of this state, and we are asking for our share. We are not asking for the entire money. We are asking for our share. Why are they not giving that to us? No, see, they can do whatever they want. As an opposition party, they can do whatever they want. It's their right. But it is all that resolution is against the interest of the people of our state, which is very important. And people are going to understand that. It is, people are not fools. They will 100% understand what these people are doing. So a resolution which is against the people is what BJP is doing. So we have done a resolution which is in favor of our people. They are doing a resolution which is against the people of Karnataka and state of government and state of Karnataka, which is not right. I think they also have to support us. See, all their MPs are silent. Have they any time spoken in parliament about this? Are they telling any time that our government has to get money, give that to our state? They should ask for it. Why have the people sent them there? They should tell, no. So that is not happening. So that means it is not correct. So we need to understand that, and we will fight. We continue to fight. No, even in center, even if our government comes also, we have to fight. Because it's our right. Because we don't get money, how will we develop and progress? We have given a 3,71,000 crores budget. It's not a joke. So we have to, revenue has to come in, then expenditure has to be booked in, all that has to happen. No, and these fellows also know all these things, not that they don't know.